Hello again, and welcome to the Lending Podcast. We're doing a short on annual mortgage reviews. This is JB, the wisdom behind all we do. And I am Jeff Jones, your comic relief, I guess, for
I guess.
today. But we are coming to you to talk about annual mortgage reviews. So, without further ado, why do we do them and what are they?
Well, so first of all, the client for life mentality that we have here is rare in our industry.
It is.
I don't see this across our industry. We are, as a group of mortgage professionals throughout the country, I would say on the whole, we are a transaction based industry, and that's not our philosophy here. We are very relational. We want to be in connection with our clients throughout the process. Of course, we get the house closed. Then we want to be post closing in relationship with you to help you through the first 30 days after you close, making your first payment, touching base in 90 days, touching base in 6 months, and a year. The annual mortgage review is not just a review of your mortgage.
No.
There are a ton of components there. We want to circle back to your overall goals, financial goals, savings goals, college funds, home improvements, all the things that you told us up front that you may want to do, right?
Right.
And depending on the house you bought, your goals may have changed because now you might have a house that needs some work, or
Yeah.
you might have a house that needs a swimming pool, or whatever it is. And so having that annual mortgage review, it does two things. Number one, it does allow us to look at specifically at the mortgage. Is there something that we can take advantage of with you? Insurance, right? Maybe our insurance costs can go down. Maybe our property taxes, our escrow account may be a little out of whack. Possibly look at refinancing if rates have dropped. So specifically on the mortgage, but really and truly, it's looking at the overall picture.
Right.
And having our third parties, our trusted advisors, an opportunity to re-engage with our client as well, especially the real estate
Yeah,
agent.
and we, as lenders, JB and I, we use actually kind of a agenda to
Yes.
really make sure we're hitting things to be responsible for not only your mortgage but your financial goals, like you said. And I think as life always has changes to it, there's also changes to one of the biggest investments that you own. And just like you're doing your annual physical checkup with your doctor, you're getting your teeth checked once or twice a year. You're talking to your tax advisor right now, probably. You're talking to your financial advisor regularly about what's going on. But how often do you talk to your lender about your mortgage? And that is something that we have a practice of. We look at the anniversaries, so any closings that happen in March, we want to reach out to you and give you that offer to say, it's been a year. We'd love to have another conversation to make sure that where you're at with your mortgage and like what you said, all your other financial, things around you are working towards your most benefit. And that's really what that time's for. It's usually like 30 to 45 minutes, unless, we're catching up on some other old times.
That's right.
But the annual mortgage review is something we really push pretty good for, just to continue to not only be there for a life event that happened when you bought your home, but to really be there for a lifetime of events throughout, your life and what goes on.
That's right. And we've just seen a tremendous amount of value. Our clients have received a lot of value
Right.
from those phone calls. We've had opportunities to then refer out our trusted advisors that refer us a lot of times. It's a way for us to give back and really make some solid connections to help expand your network and also to expand your net worth, right?
Yes.
And help you grow your biggest asset and your financial situation. So that's what we're here to do.
Yep.
Client for life.
So if you want to learn more or you'd like to have a mortgage review with us, please comment below or contact us directly. But thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.